Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have this Lelit Bianca with us in the shop, dual boiler espresso machine, and pretty much it had came in just for some general maintenance and a tune-up on the machine. Pretty much a tune-up is where we take out the gasket from here, replace it with a brand new one because that one hardens up after a while. Take the shower screen out, clean all the excess coffee that's in there. We descale your machine completely, which with descaling solution through your tank. Also, we backflush your machine using a backflushing disc and or a spring backflushing tool. We put detergent through your whole group head just to get any coffee to go back up, come down here, and exit through the bottom. Also, we did deep clean your steam wand, and now we're going to test all the functions of your machine, starting with espresso. So this is our test coffee. I did not set the grind to your machine, so don't worry if it goes a little too fast or a little too slow. We're just making sure water comes out through the front. And I'm gonna grab a glass real quick. Now that we have a glass, we're gonna pour a shot. Turn on the machine. We're just gonna let the water, that was pre-infusion. Again, don't worry how fast or how slow it comes out. We're just making sure that it is getting water through the front, which it is. I'm going to close that, turn it off. Now we're going to test the other boiler out because we did descale both the boilers. We're going to start with this. As you can see, hot water coming out perfectly fine. And now we're going to test the steam wand. I see everything working well. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.